12 noon on this Thursday afternoon, October the 10th, 2013. Time now for the Weather Magician with PJ Wiggins. The Noontime Report, Thursday, October the 10th, 2013. Good afternoon, everybody. Current conditions at 12 noontime on this Thursday, October the 10th, 2013. We got a temperature of 64 degrees, the humidity of 68%. Barometer 3.27 inches, wind speed is calm, 2.53 degrees, and a visibility of 10 miles. Okay, let us take a look at our little radar scope. It shows a couple patches of rain, showers, and approaching the New England coastline in about an hour or so as part of the remnants of Karen, and now it's moving in southern Connecticut, stretching down for New York City, down for eastern Pennsylvania, down for New Jersey, down for the Maryland, the Marlborough Peninsula, down to Delaware, down for North Carolina, up North Carolina off the Carolina coastline and stretching down into Georgia and the Florida coastline here.
The Telegram is reporting the driver of a minivan lost control.
Another batch of showers off the Florida coastline stretching down into Louisiana, down to the Mississippi, down into western Tennessee, down to Kentucky, down to eastern Arkansas. Another batches of rain showers off Mexico stretching in off the Mexico coastline.
And more breaking news on Capitol Hill. House Speaker John.
And another blobs of rain showers off the Pacific coastline stretching out in Portland and Seattle and Vancouver corridor here. And another batch of rain showers in northern Mexico down to southwestern New Mexico stretching down for Arizona, where a couple of batches of heavy snow in Arizona stretching down into Utah and Colorado, down for Wyoming, and another batches of snow and rain showers in eastern Nevada, down for western Utah, down to southern Idaho, down batch of rain showers in northern Idaho, down for western Montana, down into British Columbia, where blobs of snow and rain showers in British Columbia stretching out in Alberta, stretching in rain showers from stretching up in Alberta down to Saskatchewan, down to southeastern Saskatchewan. Another batches of rain showers in northeastern.
What do you want to do? It's offered the president today.
North Dakota down from northern Minnesota, down to southern Manitoba, down to Ontario, down to northern Ontario, up into
on the budget for his willingness.
Lake Churchill in Canada here.
A way forward to reopen the government.
And our
with America's president.
small towns of the hour goes Pontsford, Minnesota. 60 degrees here.
For a meeting, it will just be the top leaders who meet.
Okay, let us take a look at our satellite open. It shows a couple of batches of clouds covering New England, stretching it off the eastern Canada coastline, stretching out the Mid-Atlantic states as part of a remnant of Karen here. And the clouds stretching off the Carolina and Florida coastline down for central Cuba. Another batches of clouds stretching over California, Nevada, down into Oregon, Idaho, down into Washington, down into Canada. And the clouds stretch for the Four Corners region, Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, and Colorado, stretching through Wyoming and Montana, stretching western Dakota, Nebraska, stretching up into Canada. And stretching from Minnesota, Wisconsin, down for Illinois here.
Susan, right now we're at the Riverside Station where this service interruption begins. It goes all the way to Reservoir here along the D branch.
Okay, Invest 98L. Look at the tropics. Invest 98L. Movement 50 miles per hour, 28 degrees, wind speed 30 miles per hour. Wind gusts not available. There. Invest 948. Movement 10 miles per hour, 295 degrees, wind speed 30 miles per hour. Wind gusts not available. And our post-tropical cyclone Nada, movement 3 miles per hour, 265 degrees, wind speed 30, gusting up to 40 miles per hour, pressure 1,007 millibars there. And we got a triple threat of storms in the eastern Pacific. Tropical cyclone Phelan, movement 9 miles per hour, 305 degrees, wind speed 115, wind gusting up to 145 miles per hour. Typhoon Neri, movement 8 miles per hour, 305 degrees, wind speed 85, gusting to 105 miles per hour. And tropical depression 25, movement 30 miles per hour, 255 degrees, wind speed 30, gusting up to 40 miles per hour.
But an outbound passenger,
and
it wasn't too bad for him.
Neri is going to make landfalls in Vietnam as a Category 1 typhoon about 8 o'clock. And Phelan will become briefly a 4, then 3, then make landfall in somewhere in the northeastern India coastline as a Category 3 typhoon. Alright, 7-day forecast goes like this. For this afternoon, a slight chance of rain after 1 p.m. Clouds skies and 64 degrees. Northeast wind about 7 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 20%. Tonight, chance of rain mainly after 10 p.m. otherwise. Patchy fog after 11 p.m. otherwise. Clouds skies alone 51 degrees. Northeast wind about 6 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. No precipitation amounts of less than 10 inches possible. Friday, chance of rain. Clouds skies and 67 degrees. Northeast wind about 7 to 9 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 50%. No precipitation amounts of less than 10 inches possible.
Yes, he's in the 25-year-old.
Friday night, a slight chance of rain. Patchy fog after 4 a.m. otherwise. Most of the clouds the low and 49 degrees. North wind about 7 to 9 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 20%. Saturday, slight chance of rain after 2 p.m. Petroval before 9 a.m. overcast, mostly cloudy, 6 degrees, north-east wind about 8 to 14 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 20%. For Saturday night, a slight chance of showers before 1 a.m. overcast, mostly cloudy with a low of 48 degrees. Chance of precipitation 20%. Sunday, Petroval before 7 a.m. overcast, mostly cloudy under 6 degrees. Sunday night, Petroval after 5 a.m. overcast, mostly cloudy with a low of 49 degrees. Columbus Day, Petroval before 8 a.m. overcast, mostly cloudy under 6 degrees. Monday night, Petroval after midnight overcast, mostly cloudy with a low of 45 degrees. Tuesday, Petroval before 9 a.m. overcast, mostly cloudy under 66 degrees. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a low of 46 degrees. And Wednesday, cloudy under 67 degrees. Peters, what a phrase of the day! A slight chance of rain on tap for today. This is PJ Wiggins. You have a good evening, a good day with a good positive attitude here.
We're coming home from